How to fix the error? My cell phone won't make calls. It's not registered on the network, or it only allows emergency calls. If that's your case, in this video tutorial we'll explain step by step how you can solve this problem with your phone. There are several ways to find out what's happening. If you're not getting calls, or if you suddenly get one, look, as we can see here, we have a dropped signal. An X appears next to our signal. Well, the first step would be to turn down notifications. That would be the first step. Because sometimes when we moving from one place to another, the signal drops. If that's the case, and the signal suddenly drops, what we have to do is put it in airplane mode. Let's put it in airplane mode and leave it like that for 10 seconds. After those 10 seconds, we'll enable airplane mode. Sometimes this happens because it's a signal error. Well, we turn it off here. And wait to see if the signal comes back in another 10 seconds. That means it's not that signal error yet. Or it could be other errors. Having said all that, we've already done that. So what we're going to do is go here to this little gear. We're going to go down here and look for applications. We select applications. We click here where it says manage applications, and now what we're going to look for is the SIM card. If we have two SIM cards, we're going to do the following. We're going to scroll down. Here's phone. We're not going to select that one. We're going to look for the option that says without. We're going to look for yes, and what we're going to do now is select this option. We're going to click here. Sorry, not here. We're going to look here in storage. We're going to select storage, and we're going to delete all data. First, we delete the cache, then we delete the data. Okay, cache and data. We delete cache and data. We're going to put it in airplane mode. We go back. If you have two SIM cards, two will appear. If you have one will appear. Okay. Now what we're going to do is enable this. We're going to enable it and wait 10 more seconds. After those 10 seconds, if we see that none of that works, then what we're going to do is go to Google. But first, we're going to go to our keyboard and type this code. Asterisk, number 0, asterisk, #06, and it will bring up our email address from our phone. It will bring up our email address, which we have to copy. Then, in Google, we type email.info. OK, here's what we're going to do. Paste the 15 digits of our email address. It will then tell us if our email is working correctly. If it says it's been reported or something, it's because your email isn't working. The other thing, which is another alternative that never fails, is to remove the SIM card. We're going to remove it. We'll remove the SIM card here. We'll remove the SIM card, and what we're going to do here is find a cloth and clean it. We're going to clean our SIM card with a cloth. We're going to clean it well. If we have alcohol, we'll put alcohol on it and clean it. After cleaning it, we're going to reinsert it. Our SIM card, after we insert our SIM card, let's put it in airplane mode here. Well, I have a PIN code for my SIM card. I have a PIN code. Let's remove the code here. We can see, let's make a call. We'll make a call here. Let's see what Our result is because we can see that the signal is working correctly. Let's make a call and it will be going through correctly on our device.